How is a home marketed? Every home and market is a unique situation. Good marketing plans are specific to both, but every plan will include preparation, pricing, and marketing activities. Preparation takes time, typically months. Homes must be in show condition, with all repairs and upgrades complete, and all photos and videos completed before the home goes on the market. Pricing, likewise, should be planned in advance. Your broker will advise on both the best price and the best terms, which include closing costs and seller credits to balance sales speed with sales price. Once the home is on the market, it will quickly be entered in the MLS and will show up in internet searches performed by agents and buyers. Your real estate agent will advise other marketing activities, including advertising, signage, showing, and open house events, so make the best of your situation.